Hey, I'm Akeens, and I work at Gusto. Gusto is the people platform. That means you get payroll, benefits, HR tools, and compliance support all in one place. Benefits can be sticky, but with Gusto, it's easy. So let's say you have a honey business. To start, you have options: medical, dental, vision, 401k, workers' comp, commuter benefits, life and disability. You get the idea. When it comes to health insurance, we work with more than 100 carriers. That's a lot. But that's why we have licensed advisors to help you pick the right plan for your team. We're just a call away. And since Gusto was built for small businesses, we can work with almost any budget. If you already have a health insurance plan, we'll move it over for you with no interruption in coverage. No paperwork, all automatic, all in one place. Your employees enroll in benefits right in their Gusto accounts. And if they have any questions, they can give us a call instead of coming to you. Once your benefits are set up, they're automatically deducted from everyone's paycheck, which means payroll basically runs itself. And that's the people platform. With everything synced, you can focus on the things that really matter. Managing benefits comes free when you run payroll with Gusto. And setup is easy, so get started today.